But we decided to also make it useful. So we actually created a rain shelter here. This is a Prestige Swatch No Spill shelter. And this not only actually explains what the product is, but also gives shelter to people who are actually stuck in the rain. Which is about the brand, about being innovative with a purpose. And that is what I would like to welcome all of you to sign up for Swatch, pledge for Swatch, and enjoy the installation here whenever it rains. Please do message all your friends, families in Bombay, because Bombay ka monsoon to bahut hi famous hai. So we want Swatch also to be as famous and more people to sign up for the pledge. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you for the Swatch No Spill Shelter installation in Bombay today. Prestige is a brand that has always stood for trust, durability, safety and innovation. I am Akhila Chandrasekhar, the head of marketing and product at Prestige, and today we are gathered here for this innovation by Prestige called the Swatch Deep Lid. The Swatch Lid is something that is patented by us, by Prestige, which collects all the froth and the spillage that comes from your pressure cooker and keeps your kitchen clean. So just like cleanliness begins at home, Swatch begins from the kitchen. Swatch is a pressure cooker that eases the life of the consumer in everyday lives in the kitchen for them, makes it less messy, more convenient. And while we could have done an amplification here, we could have kept just the cooker and the lid, we have actually made a rain shelter because we wanted to serve a purpose for the consumers, and we want all of you to pledge for Swatch, pledge for selfies, and this installation is going to be here. The Swatch rain shelter is going to be here for 7 days. So please, अपने friends, अपनी families, अपने दोस्तों सबको बुलाइए यहाँ पे, रोज आइए, रोज सेल्फीज खींचिए. There's a contest and let's all pledge to go Swatch.
How was the experience today? Bandra Kata Road, the event is happening and everyone is there is a Prestige because event. How was the experience?
The experience is completely mind-blowing. It is the location, the media, the way they've all gathered here to actually see the Swatch installation and promote it is actually very, very nice. We want more and more people to come. We want this message to go out to more people to come and see the Swatch lid and pledge to go Swatch.
And there is also tagline जो अपने से करे क्या वो Prestige से कैसे huge and big tagline जो कि बहुत ही popular है अपने यहाँ पे. What do you say about this tagline?
Prestige continues the legacy of जो अपनों से करे प्यार. It is a signal for safety and care, and Swatch is yet another innovation in the space of caring for your kitchen, for your cleanliness, for hygiene and for the homemaker. That this installation is here for 7 days. So please call all your friends, family. There is a contest with the hashtag Swatch No Spill Shelter. Please tag Prestige and take as many selfies as you can in this installation. It's here for 7 days. Thank you.